Hi guys, doing a video. From this elevator. Oh, why is she in toothbrush? Never mind about that. Hope you guys can hear me. I'm using my external microphone, and I'm back at my parents' house now. Is this still gonna close? There you go. I don't think you can't feel too much people back in the elevator. Yeah, I'd agree. Soft lock, you mean? Right now, I'm doing a video. So right now, I'm doing videos, you can see. Okay. So this is actually the second floor. On the second floor, you can see there's a freight elevator right there. Now, I'm not going to go to the third floor because the third floor is actually closed for construction. I'm going to press down. If floor 3 is still in construction, they should have at least locked the floor so no one can get up there. Yeah. And also, I have my razor key with me because I'm back at my parents' house, and I have access to my PC finally. Right. While away, I'm gonna go on Discord see what they have. I know I have been on Echo VR a lot, but I haven't really done a video on combat lately. So for now, I'm just gonna do videos over Roblox, because soon, next month, which is like in 15 days, game's gonna shut down, and I might just start doing more videos stuff like this. I wish they actually had a door close button instead of this. Wait, is this thing... Okay, just want to make sure. This elevator is really busy. And also, by the way, this game is under construction. So how I got in here is I had to pay 26 Robux for early access. So I just noticed there's an elevator here, but we can't get there because this is in the way. So I don't know what that's supposed to say. So okay, down's already pressed on the elevator. You should see me better. Got the lights up there. So behind here is that freight elevator, which the light on the button doesn't actually work, so the use light doesn't work at all. Is this thing broken? Oh, did someone not? Oh, someone must have forgot to close the door. I need to go down the elevator to be able to get to the elevator. You can tell this thing is under construction from this not being fully complete. Come on. This elevator is really busy. And also it's really slow as well. It is working. Oh, it's coming down. It is working. Because you just saw me right away. Oh my god, my mic just fell off. It fell on my leg, luckily. Here it is. Now, excuse the noise you hear in the background. I have my fans on because of the weather. Yeah, we're going down to LL. Oh, come on! You have to, like, obstruct the door sensors. Here we go. Oh my god. The button arrow here, the arrow here got fallen off, as you can see. It's not longer there. Is the elevator here? Yeah, it is. But someone forgot to close the door. Great. Alright, I will close the door. There we go. That sounds like the main elevator, actually. That's an epic elevator. Alright, here we go. Yeah. Someone forgot to close the damn door. Alright. Might actually go up. Yeah, because we're going up to respond to the other call that was pressed. So if I send you guys the game link for this game, please know that you have to pay 26 Robux to get access to this. Because right now this is under construction and have early access. So yeah, there's no call. The call ones that's up there. It's not even there. It's blocked, actually. Wow, the alarm doesn't even work. Also, by the way, I hadn't got a new game laptop yet, but I am actually going to soon be going to Japan if you're wondering. And yes, I know Japan uses the same type of outlets as US. So technically, if I go to Japan from the US, the only adapters I would need is a 2-prong to 3-prong adapter, or I do have a 2-prong to 3-prong surge protector, which I'm going to bring back to Japan. For anything that needs 3 prongs, like a computer, for example. Like for a phone charger, you could just plug it directly into the wall. Well, finally I was able to get the cellular fixed, so now they can actually write it. For some reason, whoever forgot to close the door was stupid. Do you got these same posters like the ones in my store? But actually, they moved the part that actually makes you be able to be pulled, so. Do you think that actually works? Oh, sorry, I jerked my mouse. And I do have the mouse on my old gaming laptop that I'm planning on going to be using in the library when I go there, the Horsey Valley Station one. So. I'm right now looking at this right now. This thing's one of the most slowest elevator ever. and very busy. I don't get why they have this elevator. That sounds like really slow. And why is she pressed already? They must have done something. Okay, that noise. Okay, there we go. That closes. I guess he pressed it, but he left the elevator when it happened. I think they should have installed a second elevator since it's 4 floors. The wait times could actually be wait times are plus it's a slow elevator. It's like a hydraulic elevator. Like if you have a hydraulic, you gotta install a hydraulic elevator, and it's going up to 4 floors, like you see here. Put 2 elevators to make sure that the wait times are much shorter. Cause this is one of the busiest elevators out there. Okay, but you can see the floors are actually closed. Got another drinking fountain here. Here's that has just show. Ah, they got a notify poster sitting up here. Okay. That sounds like the freight elevator. I need to rearrange my speakers. I will have to get new speakers soon. Soon. But I don't know when. Is someone opening up the freight elevator doors? I hope not. Okay. 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 Let me lower the desktop audio so you could actually hear me properly. OBS, of course. Yeah, I hear that. I hear that. Someone's keeping the door open, I'm guessing. Also, I don't have any use of it. I don't know what I'm going to do with this Wi-Fi card. Because I use Ethernet on my PC, so I don't need this. And, by the way, it's old USB 2, so it's slow. I'm not sure what MEI boxes are doing here. That sounds like the motor for this. But anyways, I think that's going to be it to do. And yeah, I know it was pretty short, but it was to show this type of elevator here. So, hope you guys enjoy and see you guys later. Goodbye for now.